Ryan's arm.
He does it one-legged.
Yeah, one leg practice on his balance.
Oh, am I down? Did you hit me?
Yeah.
That was quick. I didn't even see it coming.
You see how fast his arms move?
See?
Man.
You got good at that one.
You get out of now.
I don't want to watch it.
You look like idiots.
I got you.
You had too much practice. I had practiced all day.
See?
Sounds like an excuse if I ever had one.
Let me just let you prank him.
I'd probably come up with that same excuse if a 6-year-old beat me.
Break your leg.
Didn't it say someone had to recenter?
What?
No, it said if.
Oh, yeah.
Challenge you to a duel.
I gotta switch arms. My right arm's hurting already.